Okay.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Anong gumagawa? That was close.
Anong
Anong
ginagawa mo?
ginagaman? What am I saying?
Anong ginagawa mo?
I have the first part. Say it again.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Anong giwaganon? Namwa. Mana, do you know what I'm saying?
Anong ginagawa mo? Said, anong ginagawa
Ginagawa
mo?
mo.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Anong giwaganon? Wait, are you posting this on your reels? No. I want to hear Danny.
What are you doing?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a long sentence for just what are you doing?